How to log in into Chime account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Chime account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser of your preferred choice. After that, in the search bar, type in chime.com. That's gonna take you to the official website. Now to log in, navigate to the top right corner. There is a login option just in front of sign up button. You have to click on login button. After that, you will land on login page. Here you have to enter your login credentials, that is your email associated with your account. Under that, you have to enter your password, which is also associated with your account. So once you are done entering your email or password, all you have to do is click on sign in button. Then you'll be logged into your account if you have entered the correct login credentials. But in case if you forget your email or your password, there is a link right here that's going to help you recover your account, and then you have to follow the instructions. After that, recover your email or password, then re-log in. So that's the way to log in into Chime account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.